Washing your car not only keeps it looking clean and attractive, but it also helps protect the paint and finish. Here's a general guide on how to wash your car. Materials. 1. Car wash soap. 2. Bucket. 3. Hose with nozzle or pressure washer. 4. Soft sponge or wash mitt. 5. Wheel cleaner, if needed. 6. Tire brush. 7. Microfiber towels. 8. Glass cleaner. 9. Wax or polish, optional. Steps. 1. Choose the right location. 2. Park your car in a shaded area to prevent water spots and soap residue from drying too quickly in the sun. Gather your supplies. Make sure you have all the necessary materials listed above. 3. Rinse the car. Use a hose or pressure washer to thoroughly rinse the car, removing loose dirt and debris. 4. Clean the wheels. Use a wheel cleaner and a tire brush to clean the wheels and tires. Be sure to use a separate sponge or brush for the wheels to avoid transferring brake dust to the car's body. 5. Prepare the soap solution. Fill a bucket with water and add the recommended amount of car wash soap. Follow the product instructions. 6. Wash the car. Dip a soft sponge or wash mitt into the soapy water, and starting from the top, wash one section of the car at a time. Rinse the sponge or mitt frequently. 7. Rinse thoroughly. After washing each section, rinse it off with a hose or pressure washer. Make sure to remove all soap residue. 8. Dry the car. Use a microfiber towel to dry the car. Start from the top and work your way down. Drying promptly helps prevent water spots. 9. Clean the glass. Use a glass cleaner to clean the windows and mirrors. Microfiber towels are excellent for streak-free cleaning. 10. Optional, wax or polish. If you want to protect and enhance the car's finish, you can apply wax or polish. Follow the product instructions for application and removal. 11. Inspect your work. Take a final look to ensure you haven't missed any spots and that the car is clean and shiny. Remember to check your car's specific care recommendations, especially if it has special paint or coatings that require specific products or techniques. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.